Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the SymPy library for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the SymPy library, then it is a Python library for symbolic mathematics. It enables manipulation and computation of mathematical expressions, equations, and other mathematical objects symbolically. So let's see how to install this particular library. So in order to install the library, you need to head on to the terminal of your VS Code and type in the following command, which is pip install sympy. Once you have typed in the command, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. So here you can see that it is downloading the packages and then it will install them. Once the installation has been completed, the library will be successfully installed. So let's wait for the same. So here you can see that after the installation process, we can see this message which says successfully installed SymPy version 1.13.3. So that's how you can install SymPy for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.